Welcome to join my channel YT Cars. The Porsche 911 Turbo S is the pinnacle of performance and luxury in the 911 lineup, combining breathtaking speed with everyday usability. Under the hood, it boasts a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine producing 640 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds. The power is delivered through an 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission and Porsche's all-wheel drive system, ensuring seamless shifts and maximum traction. The exterior design remains iconic, with wide rear haunches, active aerodynamics, and a rear spoiler that deploys at speed. The front sports large air intakes for optimal cooling, while the rear features quad exhaust pipes and sleek LED taillights. Inside, the cabin is a blend of sportiness and luxury, featuring high-quality leather, carbon fiber accents, and a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Sport Chrono package enhances performance, while adaptive suspension (PASM) ensures a balance of comfort and stiffness. Rear axle steering improves agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making cornering effortless. Carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, crucial for a supercar of this caliber. With a top speed of 205 miles per hour, the 911 Turbo S is not just about straight-line speed but also precision handling. Whether on a track or daily driving, it remains one of the most versatile and exhilarating supercars on the market. The Porsche 911 Turbo S is a masterpiece of engineering, blending raw performance with everyday usability. At its heart is a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, producing an astonishing 640 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This immense power propels the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.6 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating production cars in the world. Power is delivered through Porsche's advanced 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear changes. The all-wheel drive system enhances grip, distributing power efficiently between the front and rear axles for maximum traction in all conditions. The exterior design is both aggressive and aerodynamic, with wide rear haunches, large air intakes, and an active rear spoiler that adjusts to optimize downforce. The front end features LED matrix headlights, while the rear showcases a sleek light bar and signature quad exhaust pipes. The chassis is equipped with Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM), which continuously adjusts damping for a perfect balance between comfort and handling. Rear axle steering improves maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making cornering sharper and more precise. Carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, ensuring confidence during high-speed driving. Inside, the cabin is a luxurious blend of sportiness and sophistication, featuring premium leather, carbon fiber trims, and a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Sport Chrono package enhances performance, allowing drivers to select from various driving modes, including Sport Plus for the most aggressive setup. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and support, with multiple adjustments and heating options. Advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, enhance safety without compromising the driving experience. The sound system, whether the standard Bose or optional Burmester, delivers an immersive audio experience. On the road, the 911 Turbo S is both a beast and a gentleman, capable of ferocious acceleration yet refined enough for daily driving. The combination of a lightweight chassis, active aerodynamics, and intelligent suspension makes it one of the most capable supercars on the market. Whether attacking corners on a racetrack or cruising on a highway, the 911 Turbo S delivers an unparalleled driving experience. Its top speed of 205 miles per hour is matched by razor-sharp handling, making it a true driver's car. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a high-performance vehicle, thanks to advanced engine management systems. Porsche has ensured that every detail of the 911 Turbo S, from its aerodynamics to its exhaust note, contributes to an exhilarating yet practical supercar experience. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for track performance or a luxury seeker wanting an everyday sports car, the 911 Turbo S remains one of the most versatile and desirable cars on the road today. Like and subscribe to my channel YT Cars.